Welcome to the Kalahari Resorts in Wisconsin Dells, an African-themed water park that features 320,000 square foot of excitement, featuring both an indoor and an outdoor water park from water slides, water waves, as well as lazy rivers and much more. Not only that, they also have an indoor theme park called Tom's Foolerys Adventure Park that spans over 100,000 square foot. From indoor go-karts, theme park rides, even arcades, everything is at your disposal. Now, in terms of food goes, they also feature a variety of different dining options from casual bites to dining experiences, including the all-new Cinquenino, which we'll be checking out. So with that said, let's go ahead and check out our room. We stayed in the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom suite, which featured a 1 king bed, separate room with 2 queen beds, a full-size sofa sleeper, 2 full bathrooms, fireplace, 2 televisions, and a balcony. You guys ready? They got the Conflicts logo. Whoops. Oh, that is so wicked. I love it. Thank you. Man, that is for our 1 million subscribers. Hitting 1 million. That is right. Big special thanks to Kalahari for actually doing this. This is absolutely incredible. Thank you so much. Girl,
this is for mine.
show it to me, guys. Show it to me.
Wait.
You guys wear it? Yeah. Look at me. I say thank you.
Thank you, Kalahari.
All in all, the kids love the room. Although it's ideal for 6 guests, it can sleep a maximum of 8 guests total, which is plenty of room for everyone. So with that said, let's go ahead and head down and check out the park. The indoor water park at Kalahari Resort is home to Wisconsin's largest indoor water park. Spanning over 125,000 square feet, it features a wide range of attractions that are suitable for all ages, including thrilling water slides like Master Blaster, as well as other ones like Victoria Falls Raft Ride. For relaxation, there's lazy rivers, indoor-outdoor spas, and even a wave pool. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Ready, guys?
Yeah. Alright, Hamza, we're gonna do Victoria Falls. You ready? Alright, let's go. Smooth ride. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's check out the next one. Woohoo! You ready, buddy? Yeah. You ready for this? Yep. Woohoo! All right. Woo! Woo! particularly a big fan of the splash pad as it included a lot of different activities for them to do, and I had to say it was a great time. 3, jump! Up next is the outdoor water park, which complements the indoor water park with additional recreational activities, including a variety of different rides, outdoor slides, sunbathing areas, outdoor dining, and different activities and games, including a foam party as well. Alright, are you ready?
Oh, no, I'm going backwards.
Alright.
Why backwards? I'm backwards.
We're going inside! I'm sorry! Woo! That's right, we went on that ride just right now. Overall, my family really enjoyed the outdoors. There was a lot of fun activities to do, and it's great to be out in the sun while enjoying the water. Now let's go back in the inside and check out the theme park. Up next is Tom's Foolerys Adventure Park, essentially a theme park built inside of a water park, which offers a variety of activities such as go-karts, rope courses, laser tag, mini golf, arcade games, and much more. Catering to both children and adults, it's a playful and exciting addition to the resort experience, providing entertainment options beyond the water park offerings. I have to say, we definitely felt like winners coming out of there. Now the park was actually a family favorite. We found ourselves going back there quite a few times just because there was a lot of different activities to do, including bowling. Let's check it out. Volcano Bowling at Tom's Foolery Adventure Park is a unique bowling experience where players can enjoy bowling in a themed environment. It is actually a lot of fun with the family, especially with the different lights and black lights. It gives it a very unique cosmic bowling vibe. Besides bowling, there's also other activities including mini golf at Tom's Foolery. Next is the Legend of the Lost Jungle Mini Golf, a fun themed jungle experience for mini golfing that the kids particularly enjoyed, especially in the black light. It's great for all ages, and I have to say my kids really enjoyed doing this. Besides mini golfing, there's also other activities to do, including laser tag. They also have a 4D ride that I highly recommend called XD Dark Ride. In terms of dining goes, there's quite a variety, including fancy drinks at the Prue Bub, as well as ice cream at the Last Bite. They also have pizza, which I highly recommend, especially if you have a family. It's a great way to go ahead and eat, especially at the outdoors. And if you want to get fancy, be sure to check out the all-new Cinco Ninos, a Mexican restaurant that serves high-quality food with great presentation. They also have other dining options if you're interested, as well as something called Red's Piano, which includes live entertainment. All right, well, there you guys have it. Overall, we had a great time. Hamza, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Now, I have to say, all the rides were a complete blast, and there was so much to do. Now, with that said, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.